Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Getting Rich. I'm Zeki. Today I got a new strategy for you to make $73 online, and that's by watching ads. So make $73 online watching ads. That's what the video is about. And yeah, let's just get right into it. Before we get right into it, make sure you subscribe to this channel, Getting Rich. I literally need one more subscriber to get 50 subscribers, but we're on our way to get 100 subscribers. I'd really appreciate you if you do that. Go like, and let's get on to this video. So, alright, let's go to the first site, and it's advive.com. Advive.com. What you need to do with advive.com, it's literally a site. It pays you for watching ads. So you watch ads, they'll pay you. Literally, they'll pay. You can literally see it in these pictures right here. They already paid out a total of 44k, almost 45k. And yeah, it's a new site. Total members 154,000 almost. So yeah, they're making good money. And if you want to be part of it, just sign up right here. You just put your first name, email address, username, password, and you can even see how you want to get paid by Payer, Bitcoin, coin payments, and Litecoin. That's the only form of payment they have right now. Unfortunately, no PayPal, but I think that's coming soon. I don't know for sure. If you'd rather get paid by PayPal, we'll just do another. Just go to another site, and that's startclicks.com. Startclicks.com. Start-clicks.com, just to be sure. Alright, so you'll get in here. They do have PayPal that they can pay you with. You have two options. This is for advertisers, and this is for publishers. You don't do publishers because you need to have a website for that, and you need to pay them. But for advertisers, you just click on Start Now, and it says publish ads, get paid online. Sign in to see how much you can earn, get paid instantly, your balance is updated instantly, withdraw your balance, withdraw it from your balance to PayPal, bank transfer, or many others. Even PayPal, bro. Bank transfer either. They got so many options, many others. It's quick and free, 100% free to join and start. You just click on Start Now. Did I not click on Start Now? You just click on Sign Up. Sign up as publisher. Of course, you just put your first name, your last name, date of birth, all this info, your email address, password, account security, one of these. What is the name of your pet? My name is Big. No, it's not. It's just a joke. Anyway, put in this code so they know you're not a bot. And let's go straight to the next website. It's called permission.io. Permission.io. It's of course an ads watching website. You earn by watching ads. You just sign up in here. It's literally the same thing. First name, last name, email. Then you just sign up. You even get plus 100 ask. You need to be over the age of 13. That I think you are over the age of 13. And yeah, this is literally the third website. Look, I can tell you this. If you combine these three, you'll get a lot more in a single day. It could amount up over $73 per day. Making money online, $73 watching ads. Not that bad. Especially if you start out as a beginner and you literally have no skill in something else. It's the best thing to do. You're at home, you're watching ads, and that's it. What this website does is it works in the background. So what will happen is that it gives you an extension. You don't need to see it, just check it once a day or something, once in a week, to how much you made. You know, it works like honey. Honey works for me in the background. It searches every coupon code to literally get me a discount to everything, like Adidas Netherlands. I live in the Netherlands, so that's why it says Netherlands. And that's it. You just get back to it. Unlike the other two, you just really need to be there and watch those ads to get money. Alright, so this was the third one, and I got one more for you, and that one is current.us. Current.us is I think you could do this on your phone too, but I'm on my laptop, so I'm doing it on my laptop. Yeah, this one pays you out in gift cards, so it only pays you out in gift cards, but you could earn a lot of money with this, like those other 3 websites. You know, just start earning, send me the app, you get it on an app, and they pay with gift cards only. So that is a bit of a downside, that you only get gift cards, but yeah, it is what it is, you know. That's the 4th website I got for you. Current.us, so sorry, Current.us. They'll pay you with gift cards only, and that's it. That's how you make $73 online for watching ads, and that's it. That's how you make $73 online for watching ads. You know, make sure you subscribe, put on the notification bell if you came all the way here, leave a like. That would help us out. You know, we're on our way to get 100 subscribers. We're literally on the 50% right now, almost there. Alright, good luck. Watch my other videos out here. I got a lot of other videos to make money online differently. You know, got so many strategies on my channel. You just make sure you click on that and see what other strategies I use. Alright, good luck.